I think I just went there. I bought Milo to Ate Janet's store. I saw Kuya Kopio. But here's the one thing I say to you, Kuya Kopio. With all due respect, Bongbong Marcos is convicted of plunder. He was sued of plunder and corruption during the time of Janet Lim Napoles. And I say again, if you remember the corruption in the Philippines about the flood control, even the issue about uh, anomalies and nepo babies, remember, Kuya Kopio, Bongbong Marcos is a mastermind of the flood control issue. With his cousin, Martin Romualdez, are involved too. He was involved too, and I know they are both are involved, especially Zaldico. Okay, let's move on about Kuya Kopio. Here's the one thing. My my suggestion to my arch enemy, Sangkay Janjan. You know, Sangkay, you don't know what is corruption in the Philippines. You know, Sangkay, I know you're a good vlogger. I know you're a good friend of Cedric. Why are you saying that Dutertes are corrupt? They are involved with flood control. Here's the one thing, Sangkay Janjan, Kuya Kopio. Bongbong Marcos is the mastermind of the flood control anomalies, together with Martin Romualdez and Zaldico. They are involved of anomalies and flood control. That is the reason about the what happened in the Philippines. And another one, Bongbong Marcos is also involved of flood control anomalies. That's the one thing I could say. I know I just criticize against my arch enemies who were BBM bloggers or Marcos loyalists. Among them is Sangkay Janjan, Paulo Cruzada, Gene Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Bersaga, including Teacher Evelyn Caja, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Mel Canete, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Teacher May Tiburcio. I just criticize them because I know they are Marcos loyalists. They praising Bongbong Marcos. You want the Philippines to be a corrupt country. Is that what all of you mean? You want a corruption, or you want a corrupt nation? Like I said before, gusto mo pala ang corruption? Nako po, like I said, you don't know what is corruption. That's the reason why about anomalies, flood control, and nepo babies. They have lots of cases of corruption. For example, I heard that from Matthew Timbal. Matthew Timbal said to me, that was son of Ate Mel Estorque. You remember Matthew Timbal? Matthew Timbal said to me, Bongbong Marcos is really the greatest thief of the Guinness World of Record. You see that? Slap your face to all of this idiot Marcos loyalist. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is also the greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. Even Imelda Marcos, even Amy Marcos, Bongbong Marcos, Irene Marcos, even Greggy Araneta, Martin Romualdez, Zaldico. They are involved of flood control of anomalies. They are corrupt. That's the reason. They have lots of corruption. They are corrupt. I know I'm against the Marcoses. I know I am against Marcos. You know my friend there, Kuya Bear. Kuya Bear is a victim of martial law of Ferdinand Marcos Sr. In 1972, martial law when he was a kid until in 1986 EDSA People Power. Oh, Kuya Bear was 16 years old while Mang Rodelio Daguman was 5 years old. You see, to those idiot Marcos loyalists, you don't know what is happening in EDSA People Power. Oh, those people, they oust Ferdinand Marcos Sr. out of Malacanang. And he fled in Hawaii, and his family, they fled in Hawaii. That's the reason. And you know, folks, there's one thing I could say. The Marcoses are really a greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. Remember that, Kuya Kopio. And even Sangkay Janjan. They are the greatest robbery. Millions of Filipinos are being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Among them is my friend is Stefan Pimentel, who was scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Stefan said to me, I will vote Isko Moreno in 2022. I agree with Stefan. I know Stefan is a voter register. I respect his decision. From the help of Stefan Pimentel, Stefan said to me, I will vote Bongbong Marcos and Sara Duterte to help Sara Duterte to become a vice president. But at this time, Stefan Pimentel got scammed by Bongbong Marcos, kaya pala nabudol si Stefan. This is the reason was those idiot BBM bloggers. Like I said before, mga putang ina kayo, mga BBM supporters. You don't know what is really happened. I'm sorry for my Tagalog bad words. I know this is very angry. This is very disappointed, and hundreds of Filipinos are angry at Bongbong Marcos. You see what will be happen. I'm just gonna be like Percy Lapid. I know this is really be happen.